Hello lovelies, welcome back to the channel. Today we are doing a good old Killstar haul because it has been a while. It's the first one this year actually. Very exciting. So yeah, I am excited. I have got some nice things in here. There were a bunch of things that I really wanted that weren't available, and also the day that I got this box of things through, a new drop happened with like stuff that I am really into right now, and I was like but we've got some great things here, including some pajamas, which are very handy right now given the state of things. So I showed Jake some of my pajamas earlier and he was like, no, they have pajamas, I want pajamas. So okay, so I'm just gonna start digging in. The first thing that I have right here is a dress. It's a lovely little sundress. I have a cough. I'm going to try not to continuously cough through this video, but if I do cough, I'm sorry. It's a dress, it's a lovely sundress, and I love the print on it. They released quite a few things with this print and I think it's so pretty, and it's this one. So it's a very subtle print, but when you can see it, it's kind of Cthulhu themed, which is very cool. So it's like a dark floral, but you can see some little Cthulhus in there. It's hard to see, but he's in there, I promise. You can see it a bit better like on the website pictures because they've been taken like to show the print. But yeah, oh, you can see him. So yeah, this is super cute. I really like this little bow in the front. It's like a nice little like subtle dainty one. It's not a big like dangly annoying thing. The lace trim around the bust is lovely. It has nice lacing up the back, which is always nice, so you can sort of fit it to yourself a bit better. Why did I do that? I will fix that later. But yeah, so this is lovely. It's like a nice thick velvet. It feels very high quality. I don't believe this one's see-through. No, so this isn't like some of the other velvet prints where like the print part is see-through. This is just like shiny, so that's good. And yeah, overall this just feels like a very high quality item. I really love this. So this is this dress on. I'm just wearing like a little cardigan because I was having like a weird self-conscious arm day. But yeah, this is super cute. I am wearing something under this because the one issue I found with this is that my boobs do not want to stay in it. So caution there if you have a bigger chest. But yeah, this is just adorable and I really like it. It's very comfortable. Great. Next up we have a jumper, and this is a slight redesign on their usual sort of very shreddy jumpers. And I almost got the grey in this, but I have the normal design of the shreddy jumper in the grey, and I realized I didn't have any red ones yet, so I got it in red. So it's very similar, but it now has like a sort of like off the shoulder, like cold shoulder hangy thing with like a cross strap in the back. And I just thought this was really cool, and it's like a nice little difference from the other one. It shows a little bit of shoulder, and it has a sort of like high to low thing in the back, so like the front is shorter than the back. Overall, it's really cute and really comfy. Matches me today, oh yes. I wanted to wear this, but I was like, oh no, I have to show it in the video, I better not. So yeah, this is the jumper. This is super soft, it feels really nice, and overall, I really love it. This is the sweater. There's really nothing to say about this. It's comfy. It's as it looks. Also, I'm sorry if you can hear weird noises. There seem to be seagulls having a rave on my roof. But yeah, this jumper is super cozy and I've been really enjoying it a lot. Yeah. Next up is, a dress. This is it here, and I have to say I mostly really like this dress. Let me talk about the positives first. So first of all, the lace that like the entire sleeve and cuff is made from is so unbelievably soft. This kind of thing, like when you see this, you don't really think of it being soft, but this is like really silky soft lace, which I appreciate. That is rare and I really love that. It feels nice. It is a little bit stretchy, not a ton, so it's just like my arms fit, but like it is tight on the arms, but not too tight. But yeah, so that's something to consider whenever thinking of sizes. If your arms are bigger, then this might be a wee bit tight, but it does have a bit of stretch in it, so that's nice. And then the main bulk of the dress is a very nice lace as well. Has a nice little lace trim. It has a little lacy bit around the chest, and again the chest is the same very soft lace. Overall, it is mostly a really beautiful dress. The one thing that I hate about this, once again, is the waist. The waist is too goddamn high, and because of the way it's like elasticated, it bunches out. So you get this bunch like right under your boobs, at least on me. I don't know if it's just a tall thing or if it's like that on everyone, but it's not cute. I am not going to be able to wear this without some sort of belt or something to like give me a waist, because the way this sits, it doesn't look like I have one. So yeah, that is the only bad thing about this. Please, Killstar, please just bring the waists down a little bit. It doesn't have to be low. I still want a high waist, just not right under my tits, you know? So yeah, other than that, beautiful dress, so gorgeous. Can't wait to wear it the next time I'm in like a lacy frilly mood, because right now, if you can tell, I'm not in a super frilly mood, but I am like gonna be loving this when I am. But good God, I'm going to have to find a belt that goes well with it, because it's just not happening on its own, unfortunately. So this is the dress without the belt. As you can see, there is no waist to be seen whatsoever. I don't feel super cute like that. I grabbed a belt just to show you. It doesn't really go with this dress, but it was the only one I had nearby, but I want to do something like this. The only downside is because still the waist is too high and it's like that bunchy elastic. It kind of, you know, bulges out over the top of the belt a little bit where like the poofy waistline is, but it's still not that bad with the belt, and definitely I think if I got one that suited the dress better, I can work with this, because it is a cute dress. It's just the whole waist situation, but I love how sheer the net is because you can see my bee tattoo through it really well and everything. Very cute. Next up is another dress. I debated getting this for a really long time just because like there's one slight detail about it that isn't my favorite. It's not bad, it was just I would have preferred it another way, but in the end I ended up just really liking the rest of it enough anyway to go for it. So let me just hook this. And it is this one. So the second I saw this come out, like ages and ages ago, it was even before the sort of Sabrina themed collection, I was at first very excited because it's like one of the closest ones I'd seen to Prudence's dress from Sabrina, and I love that dress. I still want an exact replica of that dress, yet to find an exact one, but there's some closer ones being made, hopefully someday. This one would pretty much be it perfectly, except it hasn't like an open chest here. That is the one thing that put me off this dress for so long that I didn't want. I was like, why did it have to have an open chest? Otherwise it would probably be perfect. But the rest of it is nice enough. The material is really soft, and these lacy cuffs on the sleeves, these are so beautiful. I love, like, this is my favorite part of the dress. Weirdly, I've seen other people in the Killstar group I'm in like not like these and actually remove them, and I'm like, oh, because to me they're like one of the best parts. I love it so much, even if it wasn't like a Prudence-ish dress. I just feel like these lacy cuffs are like very vampire-y to me. But yeah, so other than the open chest, I absolutely love this. This lace is so like delicate and nice, and I feel like that's what a lot of the dresses that are like being made to look like Prudence's dress are missing. They tend to use like a more of like a crochet lace. They just don't have the right delicateness. This is like pretty close. It's not the same, but it's close, so I love it for that. I will wear it as is, but I'm also like toying with the idea of maybe wearing like some sort of high neck black thing under it to sort of hide the open chest and see if that makes it look exactly the way I want it to, if you get what I mean. But we'll see, there's definitely room for experimentation. But it is a really lovely, soft, nicely weighted dress. It's very, very stretchy, so you don't have to worry about that. All the lace is very soft, so yes. There's actually nothing wrong with this dress other than my weird little personal preference, you know? So like that's not a fault in the dress, that's just me being very picky because I want something exactly like something else. So yeah, this is lovely. So whenever I recorded this video, I really wasn't in the style mood for this kind of dress, but now I actually really am, and I'm really excited to wear this. Just again, the lace is so nice. The flouncy lacy cuffs make me so happy, and it is very comfortable. Tiny bit clingy, which isn't great, but other than that, really, really do enjoy this dress. Next up, some pajama jams. Oh yes, I'm gonna be diving into these later. It's like 6 AM or something. I haven't slept. So yeah, pajama jams. I got these ones. So these are cute. The material is like a little bit stiff, which is kind of weird, but not like, it's not bad, it's not uncomfortable, it's just, it's not what I was expecting. I got the wide, like non-cuffed bottom ones because I prefer that. I prefer the freedom. Jake wants the cuffed bottom ones, but I like the sort of looser ones. They have pockets, which is very exciting. A little elasticated waist with a little tie-up thing. I'm cold, so I've got my bottom half wrapped in a Killstar blanket. And yeah, just it has all these little snoozy skulls all over it, which is pretty cute. So I got these, and then to go with those, I got this. And I think I sized up because I was like, I love really baggy sleep shirts. So yeah, I got this one. There we go. And yeah, it's like nice and long, super baggy, super comfy, really soft, like really, really nice and soft. Like I cannot wait to sleep in this. It feels great. And yeah, not a bad thing to say about this. I really love it, and I'm going to be so cozy. I have literally lived in these pajamas this entire quarantine. The only time they have been off my body basically is when I have been washing them. They're holding up great through the wash, by the way. There's been no problems there because I have had to wash them a bunch because I've been wearing them a bunch. I love them. Speaking, my hair. My hair would not cooperate today. I had to just give up and be like, do you know what, that'll do. Speaking of being very cozy, I got one of the onesies. So you know, I don't usually go for like the demony stuff. That's not really my favorite, but this was too cute not to, because I like the little eyes. The horns are a bit heavy, so they're a little bit flopsy, but it's not like terrible. But they do kind of fling-flang around a bit, which is a shame, but other than that, it's great. But yeah, usually I'm not one for the demony things, but I like the little eyes on this, and like, it has bat wings. So like, of course I needed it. It is super comfy cozy. It is like ridiculously soft, because Jake got this as well, and his package came like a few days before mine, and like whenever he opened up and touched it, he was like, oh my god, that is soft. Yeah, so like it is super snuggly. In terms of size, it is baggy, but it's not as baggy as like a kigurumi would be. So if you're used to getting like Japanese kigurumis where they're like purposefully huge, like the belly sags down to your knees and they're like a huge sack, it's definitely not like that, but there is room in it. It's definitely not tight either, so just depends how you like your things. I do prefer the super baggy kigurumi style, but this is fine too, and it's so soft. Again, I can't wait to get into this and get all cozy. Here we go, not much to say, very soft, very comfy. Do wish it was much baggier, but it is still super cute. And yeah, if you need something warm and cozy, perfect. Oh, and then the last thing in the box is a little pair of socks. And yeah, they're just cute little socks with a little frilly cuff and a little pretty cross. And I love pretty crosses, I'm a sucker for that kind of thing, so. Okay, so that was everything. I do hope you enjoyed this. I definitely did. I'm glad I've got some cozy pajam jams to get into. But yes, I hope everyone is staying safe. I hope this whole situation will be over soon and that everyone comes out of it okay. So I am going to go. The sun is coming up. Not that that really means much because we're not supposed to go outside. So yeah, off I go. Stay safe everyone, and I will see you in the next video. Bye lovelies.